For you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Nice to meet you. How are you? And which part are you in? Okay, you are from Delhi. I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Wow. How many places? Right, right. Puri Jagannath Temple, Konark Temple. Okay. Okay, I got you visited only one time in Odisha, right? Yeah. Then if you get chance in future, then definitely once again you welcome to Odisha and you visit. Of course, definitely because India has four dham and Puri Jagannath Temple is one of them. Then definitely right, right. And Odisha Puri Jagannath Temple is one of them. Yeah. What do you do? Are you a student or working? Wow. Then have you completed your PhD? Wow. Then you born and raised in wow. Then have you born and raised in Delhi or are you from different state within India? Mhm. Okay, I got from you because you originally from Bihar, but right now you are staying in Delhi, and right now you are residents of Delhi, right? Okay. Then after PhD, what you wanna be? Research person? Do you wanna join? Right. Wow. Then advance all the best. As soon as possible, you get your destination where you want to reach, and you do also properly you research in historical place. Then definitely you can achieve something on your life. Then you tell me, okay, how long have you been using this platform? Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. I know because you are doing your PhD, no need to practice in language. You have deep knowledge about language and you can communicate with anyone in English, right? Only just you here to interact with the stranger when you feel bored and you overcome your boredom, right? Then tell me, right? Okay, tell me, continue. What's your query? Do you wanna ask some? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, but you told your family members, I mean to say your parents and your sibling also stay in Delhi. I think are you doing research in Delhi or are you doing your research in different country or different in Delhi? Then how far from your residence and your office? How far your institute? Okay. Okay, I got your point. Okay, I got your point. You want to make friend with someone, then you talk with that person in closely or something, right? That is your. I think you are staying in Delhi. And Delhi place is a open place, right? You can make friend with anyone. Your friend. I think you have also a friend inside your university, right? In female also there and girls also they are also doing PhD. Then if you want to make friend with them, then it's okay. Otherwise, in this day, people they make friend through online also, right? And they talk with them and they elaborate everything. That is a different kind of perspective, but that is a part of life, right? Because mm, mm, okay. Okay. Why? Okay, you told me you feel shy. Why do you feel shy to interact with girls? Why? What tension? Okay, they are junior. That's why you don't feel comfort to interact with. Is it? You don't feel interact with them. Why you feel? Because they are your friend. They are obviously junior. It's okay. They are your friend. Then definitely you connect with them. You talk with them. No issue. Because you told you are a open-minded person just few minutes ago, right? Correct. Once again, you told I feel shy to interact with girls. Means I could not understand because are you a introvert or are you in extrovert? What type of you are? Ambivert.
I'm Susan. No, no, not Susan.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Then what?
I'm what to say there. I'm forgetting exact word between the
Ambivert.
introvert or extrovert. What and I'm forgetting that word.
Ambivert. Because extrovert.
Ambivert. Yes, yes, yes. Ambivert. Ambivert. Ambivert.
Introvert they are open minded, they never feel shyness or they never feel comfort, they always interact with everyone, they talk with everyone, right. They never means hesitate to interact with anyone, they always talk with